If you're someone who like to use DaVinci Resolve on a regular basis for video working, then this video might help you, because today I'm going to show you how you can use the power pin. So what is power pin? Suppose you work on similar kind of project every single day, or you need few elements, few medias again and again for your project. So every time when you are working on a project, if you go to media pool and then import it, it will kill a lot of time. So how you can do that? Yeah, you can do that using the feature of power pin. So suppose I use this logo again and again for my project, right? So here what I can do, I can just import that file and use it. But if I use the power pin feature, so you can enable power pin, go here on the media pool. Once you go there, then you will see a 3 dot. Just click here, then enable power pins. Once you enable it, you will see the power pin section here. So there you will see a folder called the master. Under the master, you can make new folders. Suppose if you want to make a new folder here, you can just right click and there you can make a new folder or new bin, and you can name it whatever you want. Suppose you want to name it assets, you can name it like that, and there you can import the asset files that you are going to use and again. So here for my project, I can use my logo intro. If I want, just click and dragging the logo intro, I can import it here on my timeline, or I can just import new files here on the section, right? Suppose if I want to add new medias here, I can just right click and there I can go to import media, and I can navigate where I have saved the files. So here are the files, so I will just select the files, and then if I click open, it will be imported here on my logo intro folder. I can use whatever file when I want for my project. I don't need to import the files again and again. So I have some musics that I like and I use those again and again. So I have made a folder for my musics, and then for the logo intro, again, if I need to use b-rolls, I can make a new folder for b-rolls and import those b-rolls here and use those again and again. So if you're someone who need to use different media files again and again for your project, you can use the power pin feature in DaVinci Resolve. So that is all for today. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video and learned something new from this one, then you can give me a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, want to learn video editing, Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or if you want to learn more about different camera gear accessories, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more videos just like this one. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Until then, goodbye.